Let's learn how to divide the number 318 by 2 using the long division method. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2, so we will bring down this adjacent 1 here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. So in this case we will bring down this adjacent 8 here. And we know that 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore 318 divided by 2 is equal to this number 159. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.